Daryl, yeah.
For a song, of course. And the song that they're going to be all singing this morning is Merry Christmas, War is Over.
John Lennon.
So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, and a new one's just begun. And so this is Christmas, I hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young.
A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear.
And so this is Christmas, for weak and for strong, for the rich and the poor ones. The world is so wrong, and so happy Christmas, for black and for white, for the yellow and red ones. Let's stop all the fights.
A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear.
And so this is Christmas, and what have we done? Another year over, and a new one's just begun. And so happy Christmas, we hope you had fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young.
A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear.
War is over if you want it. War is over now. War is over if you want it. War is over now. Merry Christmas. Thanks very much.
Wonderful.
Wasn't that terrific?
They were fantastic. You were pretty good too.
Oh, a little fair, yes. That was great. Actually, the kids have helped me out on my album now, on my kids' album.
Do you know what I always thought? You know, whenever you're in a choir, you're just a choir. You're not individual. Let's meet them all individually.
No, hang on.
Hey, let's do it like a Mickey Mouse Club. We
Shall we?
can. Look,
Yeah?
watch this.
You ready?
They're so
Where
good.
are we
They're
gonna
so
start?
synchronised. We'll start from the back, go along, and then do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yell out your names, all right? Here we go. Up the top.
Diane, Jenny, Piri, Kate, Taya, Rebecca, Leonie, Amanda, Sarah, Janine, Yasmin, Cameron, Mark, Gerald, Martin, Andrew, Tanya, Anna, Julia, Shari, Susan, Tia,
Only halfway there. There's 60 of them.
Julianne, Bronwyn, Rowena, Lena, Carolyn, Philippa, Lara, Karen, Elizabeth, Angie, Angela, Amanda, Stacey,
Up the back.
Up the back.
Daniel, Tim, Simon, Kirsty, Trisha, Melanie, Craig, Katie, Nikki,
Great idea, Craig. Glad you don't produce the show.
Jada, Kim, Joy, Christian.
Janine,
Nadine.
Eloise, Kim, Anne-Marie, Karen, Heidi, Natalie, David, Caroline, Rosie, Jill,
Fiona,
Melinda,
Down on the front. Everyone kneel down. Yeah. Quick, down the front.
Emmeline, Peter, Savannah, Alice, Terry, Sarah, Dove, Diane.
Forgot his name for a minute.
Vicky, Daniel, Sharon, Melanie.
I think we're through our cover. And
We did it.
So, and we did forget Mr. Peter McKenna, who's the... No, he hasn't got his makeup on. I went around to his house the other day and he was in his jocks.
Oh.
It was a very, very hot day, though.
Oh, yes.
He had the baby in the arm.
But the worst thing is it's a
What a-
hot day today.
What a sight. I must say, too, that the kids have been invited to go to America next year.
Fantastic.
By the American Chamber of Commerce or someone like that, anyway. And they've actually asked me to go, so we're going to talk about that.
Fantastic.
If my producer and my wife will give me a week off, we'll talk about that anyway.
That'd be
So
great.
well done, kids, and they'll do Australia proud, I'm sure.
Yes, they will.
All right, we've got a commercial break. Got a song to go out on commercial break?
I'll go.
All right.
We